build a boat and do a build channel, and we'll discuss about. And now, before you watch, subscribe because we're trying to hit the 100 subscribers and you can do it. So now, let's go.
Okay, so yes.
We're gonna do a build, but we're gonna build a challenge. And let's discuss. What do you wanna build? And what do you wanna build?
I wanna build. I guess like a pirate ship.
Sure. So this challenge, you have to build a pirate ship. Let's go. So we need to build both.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Guys, I forgot to say, like and subscribe to both of our channels, or you will be naked forever.
Oh my god, that's so funny. But let's just build already. 3, 2, 1, build.
Okay. Okay, guys. So we can't copy the thing that we're building because we just have to build ourselves.
No. But you can still look the
No
others.
cheating. If we cheat, we can't do it anymore.
You have to reset.
You have to reset everything and build again.
You have to click the clear all and you have to do everything again. So yeah.
One eternity later.
There hasn't even one eternity later yet. What the hell do you mean?
I don't know, bro.
I'm actually a great builder. I'm actually top 4 greatest builder here.
You're like you're like on the top of the leaderboard.
Yeah. I can actually
I'm also
build.
kind of on the top. I'm also kind of on the top of the leaderboard, guys.
Yeah. So subscribe because this must take a long time to build this.
Mom, I don't want to go to school.
He just thingy that. He just so funny.
Yeah, you're the one who's funny.
Oh, you're the one.
He makes me laugh every single time when we call.
Yeah, I'm a joker. If you want to hear some jokes, like the video. Let's hit to 10,000 likes. If we get to 10,000 likes, I will say
Hey,
joke.
that's not how you do it. We need a regular number generator.
I don't understand.
I'm just gonna spin it right now. Okay. Oh, the generators hit 420 likes. Hit that like goal. I'm pretty sure you guys can destroy that like.
Destroy it.
Yes.
Can you guys hit the subscribe button and hit the like button with your nose?
That's why he's a joker.
I think that's gonna be possible, but do it.
Oh no, I can literally do it.
Okay, that's gonna go. But just focus on your building.
But what the fuck?
Stop sweating.
Hey, yo, I'm not. I don't even remember how did I build a pirate ship last time.
Well, I still remember.
So I'm running out of wood, so I gotta use another block.
You can use any block. You still don't have paint,
Like,
so
we can also use our butt.
no, we can't. What the hell are you talking about? Oh, also comment what you wanna comment what you want us to build.
Yeah, put it in the comment.
Stop fighting me.
If
There's
the
no
comments
time.
if the comments turn off, I didn't know what we gotta do.
Yeah, if the comments turn off, I'll make another video that the comments on. I am painting, but my little brother don't, so he's gonna use the normal block.
I'm poor, but I have 397 goals.
I got 722 goals.
Nice.
I'm saving up
We actually built a very such OP Among Us boat.
Yeah, I even built a Among Us robot.
Yeah.
If you
At,
want to see it,
at the
subscribe.
end of the video, we will show you guys our robot.
Even our
Our Among
Among
Us.
Us.
Yes, our Among
Stop.
Us.
It sucks.
They'll sing that in front of our pants.
I don't even look like building a pirate ship.
Me three, man. Comment down, and guys, comment down below if I buy should I buy Robux and give it to my brother or not. Comment down below.
Yeah.
If I have to give, I'll just buy one Robux and give him that.
But that's you can't buy 1 Robux. You can only buy 40 Robux or 80 Robux. Buy me 400 Robux.
I don't what?
Just kidding. Buy me 80 Robux.
That's literally the cost of a Roblox Bedwars kit.
Buy me 80 Robux. Like you.
80. Okay, I got your mother.
Wait, what? I don't even. This don't even look like a pirate ship.
I don't know. You're just like a crewmate.
Wait, what do you mean? What the hell are you saying? I'm an imposter.
No, you're a crewmate.
No, I'm not.
So my brother has an upload for like 2 months, so he decided to upload again with me. I helped him. I helped it out. I helped him upload.
Yeah.
I also help him do Brookhaven stories.
Yeah, if you want my Brookhaven story, comment below what should we do next. You want to see the murder part 3?
Or should we do like a new one?
Comment down.
Guys, I was deciding to do this thing called the FBI and the CIA, like the FBI become hackers and the CIA just become ninja. That would be a bit chill.
Yeah. I'm gonna make the best video ever. Okay, guys?
Right. We're gonna try our best. And don't yell at us. Don't roast us in the comments.
Yes, don't roast us. We are no roses. We are not roses.
If you're a hater of us, just don't watch our videos. Don't be mean to us. If you just see us, leave us alone.
Stop being mean to us.
Hey, yo, what? I don't think this is gonna turn out a pirate ship, but I'll try my best.
Look at mine.
That just looks like a regular ship, man.
Look at this dude. Look at this. Like,
No. Why are you saying that in front of your fans?
I'm making them laugh.
Oh my gosh.
Don't forget.
Let's get this.
What do you mean?
Try a red flag, guys.
Wait, what?
Red flag here. No,
What
that's
the hell
not.
are you building?
Be on a pirate ship.
Oh, that is very suck.
Dusty Baka.
Stop it. Stop the sus.
Are you in the sus clan?
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Stop the cap.
I'm not capping. You're the one who's capping.
I'm not in the sus clan either. I'm in the tanker clan.
Okay. Oh, I think that. Why do I put a block here?
Don't copy me.
Wait, what?
No copying me.
I don't copy. I boy.
Hey, yo, what?
I don't copy. That's the thing I want to say. I don't copy.
Our little dumb sister just joined our game.
Really?
Yes.
She did join our team, but
Yeah, she's so dumb that if we are there, she always say you guys will die.
Okay, the thing I want to say is just don't be mean to us because we think our little sister is not bad. She's actually really dumb.
Yes,
For
super
real.
duper dumb than me.
She's so mean. She destroyed my teddy's eye.
No, that was my teddy. I gave it to him. That literally cost like $5,000.
And she was mean and destroyed everything. That's why I just want to tell you that is don't be mean to us because we think our little sister is mean, but she's actually mean. Just don't be mean to
For
us.
real. For real. For real. We're not capping.
Do you know if you have wood plants and make it black, it looks like stars?
Hey, yo, what? I don't know what I'm building. I don't know my business, bro.
This don't even look like a pirate ship.
I am black.
I should make these brown because this is like very sus.
You're bold. You're boldy.
I'm not bored.
Stop, man. Stop the cap.
You stop the cap. I'm not the one who's capping. You're the one.
How am I clapping? Can you prove?
I don't know.
See, this is why he can't prove. You just like when I say prove, and you just say I don't, I can't.
But I'm actually building right now. I'm focusing on my building. Like focusing on my steady.
Yeah, what? I don't care about games.
You don't care about me. Care about steadies.
I don't care about you as well, you because you're my friend. I only care about you. You trying for. I only care about you trying a guy killing you. I care about that.
That means you okay if I die, but if I don't die, that means
No,
you
if you're
will.
going, if you're getting killed, I'm just gonna save you. That's my question, bro.
I hate my.
And yeah,
I hate her so much.
bye.
Whose car is this? Oh, never mind.
Oh, baby.
You're so ugly. Just kidding.
Ayo,
Focus
ayo,
on
what the heck?
focus on your building. Focus on your building.
I am focused.
Focus.
Shut up.
Focus.
Shut up. Shut up.
No, you shut up.
You have to shut up. I got barrels and barrels and barrels of TNT.
I
I
don't
got
care.
barrels and barrels and barrels. Oh, what is that? That's not even a pirate ship.
What?
That's not a pirate ship. Bro, he's okay. My bro is one of the funniest people on earth.
You're not funny. You're ugly.
Hey, so what? Okay, this guy's AO then.
Hey, look at my pirate ship.
We can literally join the white team, guys.
Should we join it?
Okay, let's save it. Let's save it, guys. Let's save it.
If we are a white team, let's see again. Okay, so somebody already be a white team, so we didn't join. Wow,
Well, why?
look at this. Wow.
Because
So,
okay, guys. I just added barrels and barrels of TNT and cannons.
we don't need them.
Yes, I do.
Wow.
You need supplies, man. You need supplies.
We- Why are you laughing?
Because you laughed.
I don't care.
My bro has all the tools.
I need a moderator.
A moderator? You have a a modder. Hey, yo, stop, bro.
No, you stop.
Hey, yo, how? Okay, my brother is AO then.
No, I'm not. I'm not even that
Guys,
guy. He's lying.
I only have 4 wins on my on the on in bro, and he has like 2 billion wins.
So
He just always play this game, and I don't really play this game. I only play it with him.
it was
Let's
some
do.
surprise.
Why am I bad at building?
I don't
JK, I'm not bad at building.
sus.
Okay, so when we're finished, we're gonna ride on the boat. You're gonna ride on my boat, and I'm gonna ride on your boat.
But first we have to write our own vote first.
Yes, we have to save it.
No, we have to write our vote first.
Yes, I know.
No.
Ew, why are you so sus like a simp?
I'm not listening. Go on.
Ew, how am I simping?
I don't know.
Okay, you're a bit sus.
Right.
You're in the sus plan for sure.
Are you done yet?
Bro, I'm literally not done yet.
Then shall we start? I can't get out.
French. And then
French fry.
French. Did he just say French fry, guys?
Okay, so I'm done.
Well, I'm not done.
Then we'll just start the video when you're done. I just
I'm
started
not
the
building.
video again because I don't even know why. But I'll just
Bro, guys, this is gonna take for an eternity.
1 million years later.
No, 2 billion years later.
No, 10 billion years later.
We're literally dead in 10 billion years. Are you fucking
Stop swaying.
tired of losing?
Just
Just
die.
die. Tired of losing? Just lose.
Liz, cannon boy.
Yo, I literally clicked something and my Roblox game lagged.
Are you okay?
My Roblox game just lagged, guys.
Did you lag out of the game?
No. I just clicked a Discord message and it just brought me to Discord.
Bruh. I'm gonna add some rockets.
Yeah, my baby. My little baby.
Stop, bro.
I'm almost done, guys.
I'm already done.
I just need to add these.
And now the last thing. Bye.
Papa, no. Imagine talking Baba Tune. Imagine hashing. Okay, I'm done.
Me too. Okay, so now let's save it.
Well, I already saved it.
Me too. And now
Let's get jetpack. Let's get jetpack.
oh yeah, jetpack. The thing we always fuck out about.
Need jetpack. Always need jetpacks.
Okay, now we have to ride it.
I can literally go on here.
Let's ride it. Come on, time to ride it. Let's go. We're starting. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you already did.
Don't have a motor.
You forgot the motor.
Stupid fucking motor.
I'm
I
cracked.
can't turn.
I'm crashing you.
I can't turn. Bruh. Let's see how far we can make it with our boat.
Yeah, I'm a great driver, so yeah.
I'm the worst driver ever. He added jets.
I added jet. What?
He added jets.
Yes, I did.
Added rocket jets.
I'm gonna shoot at your TNT. Wait,
Why do you have this?
I'm gonna shoot at your TNT. I missed again. I'm gonna shoot at your TNT. And you're gonna do
Bro.
nothing about it.
I already got money.
Is that right? Shoot at your TNT. How did I miss that shot? I'm gonna shoot at you. Yeah, I'm gonna.
I shoot at you. I shoot at you.
For me,
I'm the best aimer.
the TNT don't work on me.
Bro,
Me the cannon.
okay, we're gonna get to the stupid flower place.
Oh my god, look at me!
OMG, look at me. Ow!
Are you dying or something?
I'm dying.
Hey, look at me.
I'm dying.
I have to stand back up. Yes! No! Bruh. I'm running to you. I'm too fast. I got 3 motor. 3 motor was a mistake.
Zero motive was a big success.
But we're still gonna win. Why am I literally upside down?
I am stuck. I'm running.
Yeah, yes! I'm gonna be the winner!
Yeah, use jetpacks.
I'm not using that power. I'm gonna win! Yes!
I'm going to the next area.
Wait, what?
I'm walking to the next area.
A cheater, right? That's a cheater.
You can do. There's no rule.
Yes, babe.
I created the challenge.
No, you don't. I do.
I literally see you behind me.
I'm literally going to the end so easily. This is too
Okay, I guess he's the winner.
Yay, I win! Yay, I win!
Okay, I'm gonna show him the $1,000 prize right now.
Sam, use the 1,000 prize.
I already sent it.
But I only have 722. I mean 752. So now we have to show our Among Us now.
Not the end yet.
We are already at the end.
Okay, guys.
Okay, so he wants to
This is my Among Us.
and you can explain everything. Explain everything.
So this is the stupid glass. This is the stupid house. His backpack, and this is a little cute small guy with a top hat. And he has a gun. He has a toothbrush sword. He has a toothbrush, and then he has a chest.
It's only a chest. Okay, so
This big guy has a gun. And same with the toothbrush.
Okay, so you can clear your Among Us now. Thank you. And now I'll show mine. I don't even know what is it. I think it's this one?
How?
No.
This is his. I don't know.
Robot Among Us. I'm spawning the wrong one.
This is our god boat, guys. This is our god boat.
Oh, yeah, couple. This guy, I'm stuck. This guy gets. Hey, look at him.
Oh, guys, look at me. I'm admin.
Where is the Among Us?
That's your stupid pirate ship. Here's your Among Us.
The imposter. Look at him, so scary. Look at. Oh,
Ah, you're so funny.
I'm gonna explain. Look at the mouth, and you can drive
Look
it.
at the mouth. It's so funny.
And look at the mongoose. He got a little gun and a little sword. It's so cute. And you can
Oh my
also
god,
go
it's
in
so
there.
small.
You can also go in there. Just stay over here. You have to do it. Great out. Why are you going in? It's a little bit hard to go in. You're too small. Okay, you have to go in. Oh my god.
I'm a little baby, so I can get in.
Yeah, I'm in. Oh my god. Okay, now. So
This,
this is the back.
this, this stupid Among Us though. This funny mouth Among Us though has the rocket.
And also, do you know that I got a little mini Among Us on that big Among Us? You can also get it there.
We all know that. We all know that. We all know that, bro.
Does he?
Guys, before we end the video, how about we use avocado?
Do you want to do it?
Yeah, I'm gonna show all our fans.
Okay, I think this is
That's
the
the
GoPro.
boat we grind. Yes. No, that's a stupid pirate ship. The pirate ship from the contest with the stupid planes.
Get in. Good job.
Sometimes there's like a bug that it sometimes doesn't go full up. Well, let's get our jetpacks. Last time we did it, last time we went on the boat, it was a failure, man. It was a failure.
I think this guy. Never mind. So let's launch in 3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
The jetpack.
Yo,
We
this
can
is
go
so
to the
bad.
end. This boat is really good.
Where are you going? You're going to that stupid white team.
Oh no.
Yo, go back, bro. You're such a decent driver.
No, I'm not. I'm a great driver.
No, you're decent.
No, I'm a great driver.
No, you're decent.
No, I'm not.
Okay, you're a poop driver.
No. Let's just go to the end. This boat can go to the end for sure. You know like this.
Stay happy and rise up.
First, let's get to the end.
But let's just get to the end. I'm just gonna sleep, guys.
Hey, don't sleep. You will accidentally leave the game, so don't. He's a baby.
I'm not baby. I'm just joking you.
Oh, look at this guy. Oh.
Look at this. This boat is so bad.
May I say good?
Yo, you're such a bad driver.
What the hell you mean? I'm literally talking everything. I can literally talk to crocodile while.
No, I'm talking to the red guy.
Oh, that guy.
He's literally hitting every single thing.
And he's just covering. Yo, he literally hit the big rock. It was not even near him.
And then you just hit so bad at driving.
He's gotta lose with your. But
And don't roast us. If he is watching this, I'm so sorry, bro. I'm so sorry. Just apologize. I will apologize. We'll apologize.
okay, that's enough.
It's been nothing to our boat. Our boat literally the thing same as we spawned in.
This is a gobbo.
It's a pop-up.
It's gonna take a while.
Yes, it's gonna take for 1 hour.
No, it's not.
It's gonna take for 2 minutes.
Oh no, this guy's gonna lose in that thing for sure. Wait, is he already? Yes, he's still winning.
No, not a Discord message.
What?
I keep getting Discord message like, bro. How do you make a group chat?
I'll tell you later. First, let's get to the end.
Well, we're literally half away to getting the end.
It's not that half anymore. We're too powerful.
Over half. These obsidians are so powerful. Watch out for those things. Those water pipes.
You would think, wait. The black things are obsidian and red things are not. Red things are bricks, but they are literally opposite. The black things are bricks and the red things are obsidian. I painted them.
Yes.
Oh, come on, no,
Bro.
stop. I'm not a
I
cooker.
really love ketchup. Can I get some ketchup and mustard?
First, I can't move. Never
Do
mind.
I still have my jetpack? Yes.
What is going on here? I
There's
hate
just a
ketchup.
lot of donuts peeing. There's just a lot of donuts peeing.
There's only 2 more
Okay, I
motors.
got. Oh yeah, 2 more motors.
I hate these spoons and stuff. And a knife.
They
We only have.
just they only. Yes, you're so you're so funny.
I'm not though.
This alien part is basically nothing. You
It's,
can literally one shot through everything.
we can't one shot these. I told ya.
Well,
These explode.
those are
Oh,
impulse grenades. Those are impulse grenades.
look at that Among Us. It's destroyed, isn't it? No, we are almost gonna fly.
Why are you hitting every single impulse grenade?
I don't know.
Roger that.
There's no more motor. We are almost at the last part, and I hate this part.
Bro. When the water rises up, that's the best.
Look at you. Look at you. You're so small.
This is basically nothing, man. We can't get through. But when the waters go down, that's the worst.
The water is going down right now. It's gonna go down in like 10. Bye. Never mind. I'm already dead.
Okay, never mind.
Hey, look at our Among Us there. He's already destroyed.
Bro, I want the water to come back.
Yeah, we stopped. This is how we're so lucky. We stopped. That means we'll hit nothing. I'm taking damage a little bit. Come on.
I'm really full HP.
Yes, we're going up. Yes, we're
Look at our boat. It's so damaged.
That is, oh, come on.
Are you fucking kidding me?
It was only 2 seconds.
Bro, what was that? I hate this game.
I don't hear it.
You're hitting.
I
Never
can't
mind.
drive it, you know.
Yes, because the mouse is gone. You said your friend named Stanalin. So when he or she lose a game, he cries.
I don't even know what you're talking about. Oh, yes, we are going. We are at the last part. Oh, come on.
Are you guys? I have no more stick.
So
I think we gotta use jetpack. Guys, I think we gotta use jetpacks to pay.
No, we are not. So the thing I want to say is subscribe and like so we can get some great lucks to survive this.
Yes. Hit the like button so we can get to the treasure.
And also hit the subscribe button. If we get the 1,000 subscribers,
With your butt.
we can't do that.
That would be embarrassing.
Look at you right now.
Oh my.
Don't use jetpack yet. I'm just gonna go to the end with my boat. I'm already going to the end.
I don't even need to go to there.
Yeah,
Like jetpacks are
no,
free.
how am I dying? I'm stuck.
I think you died.
I am stuck
You died?
on my boat. I'm stuck on my boat and I died.
Okay, I'm still going.
Okay, so this is all about our video, and now if you want to see more like this, subscribe.
I'm gonna get the treasure first.
And so bye.
Bye.
So bye. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.